Anthropic just dropped its most powerful AI model yet, and it's breaking records in ways that are making OpenAI and Google nervous. Claude Opus 4.5 is here, and we need to talk about what just changed in the AI landscape. Just hours ago, Anthropic completed its 4.5 model family with the release of Claude Opus 4.5. This is their third major launch in just 2 months, following Claude Sonnet 4.5 in late September and Claude Haiku 4.5 in October. Let me put this in perspective. We now have the complete Claude 4.5 family: Haiku for speed and efficiency, Sonnet for everyday intelligence, and now Opus as the absolute powerhouse for the most demanding tasks. On the benchmark, Claude Opus 4.5 just became the first AI model ever to break 80% on SWE-bench Verified, hitting 80.9%. For those who don't know, SWE-bench Verified is basically the ultimate coding test for AI models. It presents real-world GitHub issues and challenges the model to actually fix them, just like a human software engineer would. And Opus 4.5 didn't just pass, it dominated. To give you context, GPT-5.1 from OpenAI scored around 77%, Google's Gemini 3 Pro hit approximately 75%, Claude Opus 4.5, 80.9%. So what does this actually mean for you if you're a developer or someone who uses AI for coding? It means Opus 4.5 can handle more complex code bases, understand context better, and solve real engineering problems with less hand-holding. We're talking about an AI that can potentially tackle production-level bugs, refactor complex systems, and work through multi-file changes with greater accuracy than any model before it. This is especially powerful when combined with tools like Claude Code, Anthropic's command line interface that lets developers delegate entire coding tasks directly from their terminal. Now let's talk access and pricing, because this matters. Claude Opus 4.5 is available right now through Claude.ai on web, mobile, and desktop, the Anthropic API, and major cloud platforms including AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure. As for pricing, it's set at $5 per million input tokens and $25 per million output tokens. Yes, it's more expensive than Sonnet or Haiku, but for the performance you're getting, especially on complex tasks, it could absolutely be worth it for professional use cases. And here's something cool. Anthropic is also launching Claude for Chrome and Claude for Excel alongside this release, expanding where and how you can use these models. Let's zoom out for a second. What we're seeing here is Anthropic positioning itself as a serious competitor in the AI race. They're not just keeping pace, they're leading in certain benchmarks. 3 major releases in 2 months show aggressive development and deployment. The fact that Opus 4.5 beats both Google and OpenAI's flagship models on coding tasks is a statement. Anthropic is saying, we can build the most capable AI models in the world. But what I find most interesting is their approach. They're not just focusing on raw power. They've built an entire family of models. Need speed? Use Haiku? Want balance? Use Sonnet? Need maximum capability? Use Opus. This tiered strategy gives users real choice based on their specific needs and budgets. So what should we be watching for in the coming weeks? First, real-world performance reports. Benchmarks are great, but how does Opus 4.5 perform on actual projects? We'll need to see developers putting it through its paces. Second, how OpenAI and Google respond. They're not going to sit still while Anthropic claims the coding crown. Expect updates or new releases soon. Third, adoption rates. Will developers switch to Claude for their coding workflows? Will companies integrate Opus 4.5 into their development pipelines? And finally, what comes next for Anthropic? This release completes the 4.5 family, but you know they're already working on what's next. Claude Opus 4.5 is here, and it's a serious piece of technology. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI news and analysis. What do you think about Opus 4.5? Are you going to try it? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.